Witness the genesis of sweetness. Custard apples flourish under the sun. Skilled hands meticulously assess ripeness, ensuring only the finest custard apples are selected. Skilled hands meticulously harvest ripe custard apples from their branches. Freshly harvested, these premium custard apples begin their journey to the factory, ensuring quality from orchard to consumer. Freshly harvested, these premium custard apples arrive at our state-of-the-art facility. Our dedicated team ensures every step maintains the highest quality. Skilled American workers meticulously inspect each custard apple, ensuring only the finest quality.
Watch out for the soft spots on these.
Okay, I see it. They bruise easily.
Their trained eyes swiftly identify any imperfections, upholding the highest standards. Only the pristine custard apples continue their journey, destined for market.
This batch looks good. Yeah, very few damaged here.
Efficiency and precision define the manual sorting process, a testament to craftsmanship. Quality control is paramount, with every defective fruit promptly set aside. Freshly sorted custard apples begin their journey through the automated washing station. The automated system ensures every custard apple receives thorough and gentle cleaning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Skilled American workers meticulously monitor the automated washing process for quality. Emerging from the wash, each custard apple is impeccably clean, ready for further processing. Precision engineering ensures each custard apple is perfectly prepared for the next stage. The machine's swift and clean cut precisely halves each fruit, maximizing yield and maintaining quality. Each perfectly halved custard apple proceeds for further processing, ready for enjoyment. Only the finest quality custard apple halves continue their journey, destined for premium products. Skilled hands meticulously scoop the sweet, creamy pulp, a testament to careful craftsmanship. A rhythmic ballet of hands, each motion perfected through dedication and skill. From individual efforts to substantial yields, quality is never compromised. Every movement counts, ensuring a steady rhythm and consistent quality for premium custard apple pulp. Handcrafted excellence, volume production, ensuring unparalleled quality in every batch. Each step, carefully executed, culminates in the finest custard apple pulp. Inside, specialized paddles delicately begin to separate the seeds from the luscious pulp. The machine's design ensures a precise, clean separation, preserving the pulp's quality. A skilled American worker meticulously monitors the machine, ensuring optimal performance. Simultaneously, the separated glossy black seeds are collected, destined for careful disposal. The clean, deseeded custard apple pulp is now impeccably prepared for the subsequent processing steps. Each stage of the custard apple production reflects a commitment to purity and excellence. Here, the essence of quality custard apples is transformed into a pure, seedless pulp. Skilled American workers ensure every batch meets our rigorous standards of excellence. Our commitment to purity ensures every product is of the highest quality. Inside vast tanks, a precise mixing process begins, transforming the pulp into a uniform consistency. Skilled American workers meticulously monitor the early stages, ensuring perfect consistency. The agitator's consistent rotation ensures every batch achieves ideal uniformity. Precision control ensures optimal blending, a testament to careful craftsmanship. From whole fruit to refined pulp, each step is carefully orchestrated for quality. The perfectly blended pulp, now uniform, awaits its transformation into exquisite products. Advanced pressure gauges meticulously monitor the flow, ensuring optimal conditions for transformation. Inside, the pulp undergoes a transformative process, refined to perfection. The subtle vibrations of the pipes signal the powerful, continuous flow within the system. A panel of indicator lights provides crucial, real-time feedback on every step of the process. Every pipe joint, meticulously sealed, ensures a pristine and efficient processing environment. Here, the warm, homogenized pulp meets chilled surfaces, initiating a controlled cooling process. Precise temperature control is essential for preserving the pulp's quality and extending shelf life. The chilling system's intricate network ensures every batch of pulp is uniformly cooled to perfection. The cooling process gently thickens the pulp, preparing it for its next critical phase, packaging. From a distance, the chilling system operates with quiet efficiency, a cornerstone of quality production. The meticulously chilled pulp is now perfectly prepared for the next stage, hygienic packaging. Precision engineering and skilled operations ensure consistent product quality. Precision machinery ensures every container is perfectly filled, maintaining product integrity. The rich, creamy custard apple pulp flows seamlessly, filling each tub with precision. Automated sealing ensures freshness and extends shelf life for every product. Each packaged product is a testament to quality, moving swiftly towards distribution. The automated packaging line orchestrates every step, from filling to sealing, with flawless precision. Every tub carries the promise of fresh, delicious custard apple, delivered with care. From orchard to tub, every step ensures the finest custard apple product. Skilled American workers ensure each custard apple tub is perfectly prepared for shipment. Each movement is refined, a testament to American manufacturing precision. Once filled, each box is meticulously sealed, ready for its journey. Expert hands quickly and carefully transition products from belt to box. Every tub is positioned with care, ensuring product integrity during transport. From the production line, each carefully packed box begins its journey to consumers. Carefully packaged, the custard apples embark on their crucial journey into preservation. Deep inside the frigid tunnel, controlled cold locks in freshness and quality.
Quality check complete on this batch.
Confirmed. Move it into the freezer.
The intense cold ensures optimal preservation, safeguarding the product's integrity. Achieving perfect chilling, each box is prepared for its next destination. Precision and efficiency are vital as the finished product is prepared for global distribution. Each pallet, a testament to quality, is carefully positioned, maintaining product integrity. Throughout the warehouse, products are perfectly organized for efficient distribution. Each movement reflects American precision, ensuring every product is secured for its journey. From farm to table, a journey of quality culminating in frozen perfection.